Hey guys, welcome to Medling World. So the video you're about to see originally was we thought we would be putting it onto our secondary channel, Medling World, trying things, but as we went through the video, we kind of realized that this video is really cool you're about to see. It's more of kind of a personal experience for us and how we impacted somebody through our vlogging, and we wanted to share that with you because really at the end of the day it was something that made us feel so happy that we were able to do this through creating vlogs and entertaining people. Really is what it comes down to. So again, the video you're about to see, originally we thought it was going to be us trying something because we received a package, basically is what happened, in the mail. And sometimes we receive packages of snacks or something that we can try on our secondary channel, of course, called Medling World Trying Things, and it ended up just being more of an experience. So we decided to put it on this channel after we filmed it. So that's why it may kind of sound like it's supposed to be on Trying Things. But anyway, enough with the ramble. Check out this video. It's really something that blew me and Roberta away. Come on and check it out. Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World Trying Things.
Yes.
This is like a blind box edition. We have no idea what's in here, but I want to thank Cunningham
Yes.
for sending us a package to our P.O. box. Come on in, try it out. So once again, really not sure what this is.
No, but thank you.
But again, thank you to Cunningham. I want to invite everybody to please subscribe to Medling World. We, on this channel, if you're new to the channel, it's called Medling World Trying Things. We just try everything and anything. Could be food, could be a product. We have no idea, but we did want to open this up and see what it is as Roberta begins to open it.
Yeah.
And also, if you would like to send something to our P.O. box, the P.O. box information is in the description of this video.
There is a letter here.
Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. This is really nice. This is like, wow. Look at this. Are you kidding me with this?
Yeah, let me.
I am blown away by the thought
let me.
of this.
I'm gonna give a second. I'm gonna read the letter first. I'm gonna be right back because we're trying to understand.
Yeah.
So then we're gonna be right back.
So the one thing about our channel,
Yes.
that I think a lot of people tell us about is we're very real about what we do. We don't rehearse anything, ad-lib anything. We just read the note that was in this package. And, let me just say this. Mr. and Mrs. Cunningham, blew us away by the letter they wrote us. There was some illness in the family. I don't want to get into the specifics,
We don't want to get into specifics. Yes.
they let us know how important our vlogs were to them.
And it's
Because they enjoy cruising, and it really helped while they it's a husband and wife. So the husband was ill and he had to go, and it took some time to get better.
Yes.
The good news is
he's better.
Mr. Cunningham is doing well, so we're very happy to hear that.
Very happy to hear that.
But the letter was very it blew us away, humbled us beyond belief that our vlogs is so entertaining to them that they watched all of our videos, and it helped Mr. Cunningham. I'm just going to say it because Cunningham's a pretty common name.
Yeah.
It helped them through the sickness, both of them together, and their love of cruising. They really loved our cruising vlogs. And it just made them so happy that they wanted to let us know how important it was to them. And this is a video that's not really trying anything. It's just happy, man.
Yes.
Like the end of the story for the Cunninghams was Mr. Cunningham got better. Our videos are something they really look forward to. They subscribe now to this channel, and I'm blown away by that. That is really if you could have a dream and make videos to do that, not just the information you give, but make somebody happy and help them.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Yeah, I got very emotional reading the letter. Of course, in the situations like that, we we always pray for them
Yes.
to get better.
Oh, thank you so much.
To go through all that, and appreciate you guys doing that for us. It's in thinking of us, it's amazing.
It's unbelievable.
It's really amazing.
And we'll kind of go through a couple things they sent us, so it'll still be fun.
Correct. So
Go ahead.
I don't know if they want us to advertise his book.
Well,
It could be a little bit too personal,
yeah.
the book.
So we'll keep the book. I'm sure if they're watching a video, or I'm going to send them an email back or a
Correct,
message
yeah.
back. Later
they
on
do-
we can update it and just
Correct.
show you the book. But
If they give authorization.
Mr. Cunningham's an author,
Yes.
and he wrote a book, and he writes books. It's kind of a dedication to the cruising industry, the people that
Yeah.
work on cruise ships, and he sent us a copy of the book.
So if we do
With a
have
thank you.
we have authorization to put his book, we will put in down
Yeah.
the description. But if we don't, we also want to keep the privacy. I don't know yet if how they feel about it. So
Yeah. And there's a card in there too.
it's a card there, so we haven't opened that yet. But we want to show the ducks. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now we're gonna open. Look at it.
These are so cool.
That is so
So
cute.
they
I
did.
like-
I am going to refer to the letter. I know the Jaws reference because
Yeah.
it's a New England reference. I'm from New England. I'll just keep it like that. I don't want to give away.
This
a
one
lot,
is
but-
Wicked. Oh, look at that, so cute.
But Roberta, the cool thing is each one is kind of a dedication to a ship.
Yes.
So, well, the first one is okay. So New England is just kind of. I'll let Roberta do that.
Yes. this
The
is
Jaws.
it. The Jaws. Yes.
So you can
Reference
see
to New England, yeah.
it's a New England reference. You can see Jaws eating the duck. These are not going to be given away. I can promise you that.
Oh no.
No.
This one's gonna go for my collection. I
Yeah.
wanna open.
Uh,
No, but wait.
yeah, you can open. Look.
Yeah, be
Yeah,
careful.
let's open. We're going to put them back in these
Yeah.
boxes. Yeah, we'll show them. Which one do you have there so I can...
I have
Well,
Back
let's
to the
show this one
Future.
first. Let's show this one first. Roberta's excited.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god.
We'll put
so
them.
cute.
We'll put them back in after.
Look
This
at
is really nice, guys. Like this, I had no idea what was in this box.
It's so
how this video
cute.
was going to be, and we're like, yeah, we're going to make the video, even though we're not really
It's
trying.
gonna go back to the box after.
That's cool.
Yeah. Each one way I had it was Back to the Future.
All right, and Back to the Future is. Okay, so Marty McFly, the
Yeah.
star, Royal Caribbean. So I think it's
can't-
the Broadway, is what it is. Okay, yeah, these are the shows that are on. Okay, I got it. Took me a minute. Oh,
and
that
it-
one looks cool
Yeah,
with.
but look at the tub. It's a
Oh,
tub.
yeah. But Roberta,
Yeah.
you remember
Yeah.
the movie?
Wait, yeah.
Now he's got his vest on when he arrived back when he went back to the, when he went
Yeah.
back in time,
It's
and
so cute.
they said, "Hey, what's wrong with this kid? He's wearing a life preserver." And look at
That's
the
so
hair.
cute.
That is like a Michael J. Fox duck all day long. Shout out to Michael J. Fox too. What a tough guy he is, huh?
Yes. Wicked, that's Dorothy.
And Wicked is
Dorothy Gale.
the icon. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
If
oh,
if Judy Garland was a duck.
Look at, that's so cute.
I love the tubs. Rubber
Yeah.
dub. Rubber dub dub.
And this is,
No, that's 3 men in a tub. That's not the ducks. I remember Ernie used to play with ducks on Sesame Street.
and this is, and the
These are
last one.
so cool. These
They
will
are.
never be given away. These are going to be our own collection. These are so nice.
Yeah.
And the last one we have Willy Wonka,
And
which
also,
is Legend of the Seas.
talking about collections, I have some videos planned, but we haven't ordered everything yet. But to start organizing the things that we get, so we're gonna try to do videos about the things that we receive from you guys, which is really appreciated.
So
But we have
nice.
plans already. We were talking about that today, how we want to do it. So hopefully in future vlogs. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that. So cute. Look at it. Oh my God, so cute. Then I have to try to put all this together again after. I don't know. Maybe we can leave them out if you put a nice collection on it.
Gene
I
Wilder,
figured out.
right?
And put this back over here.
That's cool. Oh man, that was like such a cool thing.
Yes.
I know watching a video, you may not, you know, you can't feel the emotion we
Yes.
have, but you know, it's a video I wanted to put out anyway. I'm not really trying anything, but it's just like, check out the ducks, are cool.
Yeah.
And I think it's important to always have a message, right?
Yeah.
Part of YouTube is you're creating something.
Yeah.
And when somebody recognizes you for that,
Yeah.
that is like the ultimate compliment, to help somebody through a hard time by just being who we are.
Yeah.
And that's, I think, what I love so much about this channel, especially the trying things, is
Yeah.
we're right here. We're like, you're in our home with us.
Yeah.
And yeah, I goof around all the time. This is how I am. And Roberta's like, stop, man, for a minute. And I love doing it, man.
Yeah.
I just love it.
But
Oh,
thank
man.
you. We really appreciate, and we appreciate all you guys that watch it.
Everybody, yeah.
And send us message, and we will respond to the email. It was
Yeah.
to that message. And again, I'm glad to hear about the recovery.
Yes.
So.
Things are doing very much better now
Yes,
in the Cunningham family
family.
household. So
And
Thank
yeah,
you.
Jake is around, but he's taking some time now for himself a little bit.
hanging out. Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
And last but not least, see ya.